Dua bola. Right. Esquerra. Look at the back.
Push.
Dalawa. Walang bola. Pinasa Patrick. Change it. Good ball. Foul. Counter by Patrick. Number 7. Patrick. There is Patrick. Second foul by Patrick. Dalawa. Moving forward. Villera. Moving forward. Let's go. Dribble the ball. Looking for. Mateo. Dribble ball. Straight. 10 seconds to shoot. Let's go. Fire. 2 Let's go. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Villera. Patrick, looking for the shot. Villera. For Patrick. Foul by number 6. First personal foul by Mateo. Third foul. Pasok. Wow. One minute and 7 seconds. Looking for pass. Patrick. Good. Patrick. Change it. 44 seconds. 40 seconds. Wala. Esquerra. Open. Esquerra. 25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Sun tayo, pagkaroon.
15 seconds, Padre. Fast off it. 10 seconds. Good. Let's get up. Let's go. 5 seconds. 3, 2. Counter. Basket. Good. 46 and 37. Favor blue. Back to the ball naman tayo. At baka masarahan po tayo ng ilaw. Baka umapuha po tayo sa ilaw.
Yung tinuro ko sa'yo para!
Oh, sige.
Dalawa. Dribble the ball. Pass to him straight. Pass Dasha. With the ball. Change. Gudaran. 2 points by Gudaran. Blue ball. Dia. Bring the ball. Pass to Naik. Pass 3. 1. Rebound. Same ball. Same ball. Deliver. Fire. Bola. Rebound. Calpo. Double stay. Pass. Deliver. Dribble the ball. Pass to Dasha. To the right. 10 seconds shoot. Calpo. Locked up. Calpo. Take 3 seconds. Gudaran no. Number 54. Substitution. Stop again. Here. 4 shoot. Here, alright. Gudaran, take. Deliver. Easy. 2, 1, 1. Deliver. Calpo with the ball. Straight. Shot. 2 points. Iba na. Deliver. Tinira na.
Awin nyo na! Go!
Push power. Number 5. Okay.
Amin ha? Amin.
Blue tayo. Atin. Baba!
Substitution.
Gitna ka.
Perfect to shoot.
Hawak din siya.
Pakilala ka pa na.
Patrick. Number 7, Patrick. Foul. Third personal foul. First, wala. Isa lang po, isa. Number 8. Foul. Push foul. 0-5. Pushing foul. Hey, third person now. 1-1-4-5.
Pre. Wala.
Second time, same goal, man. Second time, same goal.
Patrick.
No, not like this. You did it twice. I swear to God, you did it twice. You did it twice on purpose. Man, referee, come on, bro. You did it twice. Pre. First time. I talked to him below. I told him it's not shot. Second time now.
Time out muna. Palamigin mo na po ito.